So I'm on spring break in Washington, D.C., and we're staying at the Canopy by Hilton in the Wharf, which is a new neighborhood on the southwest side of D.C. It's right by the river. It's a brand new hotel, and it's probably one of the most unique and one of the coolest rooms I've stayed in. So here's a sneak peek at my hotel room at the Canopy. Whoa. Definitely one of the most springiest beds I've ever jumped on, or slept on I should say, in a hotel room. Oh, that was fun. So we have the mirror in the bathroom, which is this like sink outside the bathroom setup. And what's cool about it is this has this exterior light, which is just, you know, so cool. The sink itself though sucks. It's got like great hot water, but like this little stream and like the square shape of the sink make it really suck. Vanity though, give it maybe like a, I don't know, can you rate furniture? So the cool thing about the bathroom is that you have this sliding door, like barn door style thing, you know? I personally like, you know, doors that actually shut. Barn doors technically don't shut. So, I have the shower. Oh, this is a great shower. The shower's a dream. Glass door opens. So it has a complete, well, floor basin to top of shower glass opening door. And then you have the thing for the shower over here. Shower's over here. There's the handheld thing. But check out that shower head. Check it out. Look at that. Like showering in the rainforest. Is the shower not a dream? Or what? Not a huge fan of the fake wood tiles, though. I hate anything that's fake. Anything, the architecture, furniture, rustic, whatever, if it's fake, I don't like it. But this is a very nice bathroom, and I like the big tile. So for closets, they gave us this setup. For two people, we have like 8 hangers, little drawer thing, little shelf thing, and then we have this other thing, which this drawer actually is a fridge. So that's kind of cool. It's not very cold though. And then of course you have your little espresso maker. And then this huge cabinet opens up like that, and there's the safe and a shelf. Got your body mirror with, I like this feature. I like this. This little shelf thing, I think it's fantastic. I think that's ingenious. I think this feature should be in every single full body mirror from this day forward. Okay, so this is the other really cool thing. Check out this curtain, goes floor to ceiling, and guess what that means? Floor to ceiling window. It's great. What's weird though is that the glass, it's like very thin. So I know you can't see it, but the window actually like vibrates when pressed, or like doors are shut. But this is the 8th floor. Can't really see in the dark. But basically our view is just a construction site. And then over there is the river. View is great, but really just because it's high. So I really like this decoration with the knots and the decoration thing. I think it's a great way to remember what knots exist and how to tie them. So I think I'm gonna take something like this and put it in my house. The overall theme in this room is like shipyard, because we're right next to the river, and then there's the dock outside the hotel, which is really cool. But that's like the hotel theme. I like the decoration, that's really just what I wanted to note. And then untraditionally, we have this great big desk, big drawer, trash can, chair, and little mirror thing. But actually, they have this decoration on the desk, and the Wharf, this hotel was built 2 years ago, is actually like right here. So it's kind of cool they have a map you can look at like as a decoration. I think that's cool. Another cool slash weird feature is that they have another barn door that you can seal off the rest of the room with, which is cool, but once again, it's a barn door, it doesn't really shut. So it just kind of blocks out the light. You can still hear what's going on, like in the bathroom and stuff, when somebody comes in. So I'm gonna go outside the hotel room really quick and show you this weird feature on the elevator. So the elevator, you can't just go to any floor that you want. You actually have to swipe your card here, and if you have access to the floor, like if your room's on another floor, then you can go to one of these floors. But you only have access to the floors, or the floor that your room is on. And the lobby, of course. And the, apparently the Whiskey Charlie. You have access to that too. So this is like a cool feature. You know how in traditional hotel rooms you have the card thing where it swipes in and out? Well, this, you just tap, it's very quiet, it's fast, and then you're in. Okay, one of the last thing and one of the most unnecessary things in a hotel room ever I want to show you is this humongous decoration thing behind the beds. It's like this humongous decoration thing that's just so purposeless. But, check this out. There's a light up there that turns on and off. And like I said, it's probably one of the most unnecessary things in a hotel room that I have ever seen. So like I said, the bed's nice. It's got this padded thing. You know, it's kind of nice. It's fake stone, yet padded thing. But the hotel room, it's okay. I mean, it was really cool when we walked into it the first night. But the problem is, the walls are really thin. And so you can hear just about everything that goes on in the other rooms and the hallway. So in that sense, it's kind of annoying. I slept very well last night, but overall, the hotel room is very nice. I wish the walls were more soundproof. And it's a great, like I said, it's a great hotel. And I'm looking forward to the rest of my trip and the rest of my stay at the Canopy by Hilton. Thanks for watching, guys.